Okay, let's give you guys some more practice. Okay, find the equation of the line that passes through this point here and this point here. Okay, so what that roughly looks like is, well, if you look at this point here, minus 11, 7. So minus 11 and then 7. So one point is here, and the other one is minus 6, 5. So minus 6 is here, and then 5 up. So it will be right here. So if you were, well, join these two points together. Well, it's going to be a straight line like this. Find out the equation for this line here. Remember, when you're given a question, you don't actually need the grid. So without the grid here, hang on, bear with me. Without the grid here, so just draw it without, just roughly sketch this. So your graph will look something like this: x, y, and then guess minus 11, 7, minus 11, let's say around here, 7, let's say around here. And then this one here, minus 6 is somewhere around here, and then 5 up somewhere around here. Just guess. That's what. Well, then you have to find out the. Well, anyway, do whatever you have to do. Find out the equation of the line that passes through this point and this point. So press pause and have a go. Okay, so draw our graph first. So this is x and this is y. Minus 11, 7 will be somewhere around here. Minus 6, 5 maybe somewhere here. Okay, and then you've got a straight line like this. The minute you have a straight line, write down the equation: y equals mx plus c. And now you need to work out the gradient. Well, this point here is minus 11, 7, and then this point is minus 6, 5. Now the hard part, working out the gradient here. So you need to know the height. Okay, so now if you want to know the height, you're interested in the y value here and the y value here. Okay, you're interested in this and this. Well, I know the height of this from here to here is 7, and from here to here is 5. So this length here is 2. Okay, and well, from here to here is 11. Well, I know it's minus 11, but the actual distance from here to here is 11, and from here to here is 5. So this distance here must be 6. Okay, and now if you want to know the gradient, well, the other thing to remember is that it's going downhill, so it will be a negative gradient. So the gradient, well, it's always height divided by the width. Height divided by the width, and it's because it's a minus. Then let's stick a minus in there because it's going downhill, so it must be a negative gradient. That's why we need this minus here. Okay. Let's simplify this actually. 1 over 3. Yeah. So divide top and bottom here by 2. Okay. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the gradient is minus a third. Okay. So this, well, let's put that into the m. So it would be minus x over 3, because the x, well, this is a fraction, and then later you've got to get the x times a fraction, so it gets multiplied to the top. So it will be 1 times x, which is x. Okay, and then plus c, and then so this is your well, if you put this third here into this m here, okay, you will have minus a third, and then you got to times x, and then get this x times to the top, and then it will give you this. 1 times x is just x. Okay, and what's the next step? The next step is to find out the intercept right here. We don't know what this is at the moment, so we can select any point on this line. We could select this one or this point here. Let's select this one here. They're both negative, so we can't really avoid negatives. So let's just select the lower of the two numbers. Okay. So here it would be minus 6. Minus 6 is, remember, minus 6 is our x value, and 5 is our y. Okay. So we've got to put the 5 into the y. Okay. And then we've got to put the minus 6 into the x. Okay. So what do we put into the y? We got to put the 5 into the y. So it would be like this: 5 equals, and then we've got to put the minus 6 into the x here. So you've got a minus and a minus. So that would be a positive 6 over 3 plus c. Okay. Now this thing here, we can simplify this. 6 divided by 3, it turns out to be a whole number. So this would be this. Okay. So this box here is the same as this box. These two are the same. Okay. Now it's just take away 2 from both sides. So the intercept is actually 3. So now going back to here, if we put going back to here, okay, we've got to put the 3 into the intercept. So it would be y equals minus x over 3 plus 3 here. Okay, plus 3. Okay, and then well, you've got one fraction here, and then you've got a whole thing here. So let's try and merge the two together so it looks neater. Actually, you've got a minus here and you've got a plus here. So let's switch these two over so it just looks neater. Okay, so this will be 3 minus x over 3. Okay, we're just switching these two boxes over here, so it looks neater. That's all. Because here you've got a minus, and then, well, if you switch it over, then you'll have a positive, take away a minus. Well, anyway, let's try and merge the two fractions together. So turn this into a fraction. 3 over 1 minus what's going on? Oh yeah. That's right. Sorry. So yeah, just simplify this. So y here. Now times top and bottom here by 3. We need to get the two denominators to be the same. So it will be 9 over 3 minus x over 3. Now the two denominators are the same, so we can merge. So this will be 9 minus x over 3. So this is our equation for this line here. For this line here. Okay?